Despite the best efforts of all involved in helicopter operations, it is recognized that accidents can and do occur. Even with the limits inherent in operating at remote helibases, an accident demands an immediate and correct response to prevent serious injury or property damage. It is essential that employees act within the scope of their training for their protection and that of others. To this end, it is recommended that personnel assigned to the positions of parking tender or deck coordinator be trained in the proper use of fire extinguishers and crash rescue tools for aircraft fires. This training should include practical exercises extinguishing several small Class A and B fires with different types of extinguishers. It is not the intent of agencies involved in helicopter operations to train helicopter and helibase management personnel to respond to a fully involved aircraft fire. The intent is to train personnel to respond to small fires within their capability and training and to be able to rescue survivors of a crash in a safe, efficient manner.